Another Trump administration plan was in the spotlight today. The Department of Homeland Security wants to change the definition of public charge, the standard that determines whether individuals are inadmissible to the U.S. based on things like the amount of public assistance an immigrant receives. And that has local officials concerned, as Micah Bledsoe reports from our Washington bureau.
The public benefits that DHS is eyeing include food stamps, housing, and healthcare assistance for immigrants here legally on visas or seeking green cards. Officials at the National League of Cities Conference here worried that those changes could have a far wider impact on their communities.
Everybody should be worried about those and what that really means. I mean, it seems like things need to be fleshed out a little bit more so we can have a better understanding of that.
Arredondo Savage was part of a packed panel discussion today on the proposed expansion of benefits covered under the public charge law. She says the change would definitely hit Arizona's 28,000 DACA recipients, but would be felt in the larger community as well.
So when you just think of that little population, think of all the other ones that we don't even know that are there, how important it is to make sure that they're taken care of, they feel safe, and they're included, because they are really part of our culture, not just in Tempe, but as in Arizona too.
Jackie Vimo, a policy analyst with the National Immigration Law Center, says in order for immigrant communities to feel safe, they need to have access to proper services and resources, but they need to be properly informed about the changes as well.
Your life is more than your immigration case. We don't want a generation, 20 years from now, of kids who didn't get early childhood development, that didn't get the food and nutrition that they need because their parents were scared, and then we're going to have to be paying for that in years to come.
That's why city officials here say they keep a close eye on the changes.
We need to be that squeaky wheel. We need to be that voice. We need to get together and make sure that Congress is listening to us and that the president is listening to us.
Arredondo Savage agreed.
But I think what we heard today was it's important to put it on your radar and to really know what those impacts could be, because it obviously is going to be something that's very negative to a lot of people.
It's not clear if or when the change to the public charge rule will take effect. DHS has to wade through more than 266,000 public comments that were made to the change before they can propose a final rule. In Washington, Micah Bledsoe, Cronkite News.